Readers, today begins a new bend in our unit. Woo! We're going to be thinking about your response to reading. Remember when we were talking about reading like a curmudgeon or reading like it's gold? You have this choice with reading nonfiction as well. Today, I want to teach you that powerful nonfiction readers choose to be fascinated by their books by deliberately deciding to read with their minds on high alert, wanting to learn and being curious. I mean, I could read a text like it's oh boring, like a curmudgeon. Or I could read it like I'm curious and want to learn. I could choose to read with my mind turned on, ready to learn. When I sit up and take notice of my text as I read, it might be like me studying this pen. I sit up and I notice how long it is. It's the length of both my thumbs. It's got two parts to it that go together. And when they really are together, it clicks. It's got this clippy thing on it. And it's got some words that tell me who makes it and what it is, and something really precise about how small the point is. But here's the thing, sitting up and taking notice is not enough to have your mind turned on for learning. That's just the first part. When you read with your mind turned on, you also do the important work of making sure you understand what you're reading. Sometimes that means you need to reread a part and do your mini summary after that rereading. By choosing to be fascinated by your nonfiction text, you're not only learning, you're thinking about the topic, and more importantly, you're having fun doing that learning. And who doesn't want to have fun? So, readers, today and every day, keep your brains turned on high as you read. Remember, you are what makes a text boring or fascinating. And what is most important is not what you think, but that you think, that you do something when you read. So as you go off today and you think carefully about your work plans, bring all that powerful work from the previous bend into this one. Don't forget all that you know about how to learn from expository texts. And do some thinking. Get your mind turned on high as you read. Are you ready? Off you go, my friends.